Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a really great recipe for chicken. Honey mustard roasted chicken. Very simple. So I have a couple big pieces here. So I have two roasting pans. I like to use the glass pans. So I have some chicken breasts and a couple of legs. You can use any parts of the chicken you'd like. So for the honey mustard, very simple. About a cup of honey. Let's open it the other way. Okay, so that's a cup of honey. Now I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of mustard, any type that you'd like. Okay, let's just give that a mix. Like I said, it's very simple. I like to add a teaspoon of onion powder and a tablespoon of parsley flakes. And we'll do a big pinch of salt. Give this a good mix. Okay, and then we're just going to drizzle it all over the chicken. And we're going to put it in an oven at 375. We're going to cover it with aluminum foil. We're going to let it cook for about a half hour to 45 minutes. Then we'll take the aluminum foil off. And then we'll let it get nice and golden brown. We'll baste it with the honey mustard while it's being browned. Okay, so we'll go ahead and throw it in the oven and we'll check back in about 45 minutes. Okay, I covered them with aluminum foil, so now they're ready for the oven. Okay, so I just took them out of the oven. They've been in there for about a half an hour. I took the tin foil off, and now I'm just basting them with the honey mustard. I'll put them back in the oven, and we'll keep them in there for another half hour until they get golden brown and cooked thoroughly through. So I'll just continue to baste these. And here we have the honey mustard roasted chicken. I baste it like every 15 minutes until it was fully cooked. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Bye-bye.